My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the BCA third semester subject Java Programming as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 2 first important short question is Strings in Java. In Java, a string is a sequence of characters like letters, words, or sentences. It is one of the most commonly used data types in Java. A string is written inside double quotes. Java provides a string class in the Java.util package to work with text. Example: string name is equal to India. A special feature is that strings in Java are immutable, meaning once created, the value cannot be changed. If you modify it, Java actually creates a new string. Example program: public class test. Public static void main, string args. String city is equal to Hyderabad. System.out.println, city plus city. Output: city Hyderabad. Key points to remember. Strings store text. Written in double quotes. Created using string class. Immutable, cannot change once created. Memory trick. String is equal to text plus double quotes plus immutable. Next important short question is 2. How to create and define arrays in Java. An array in Java is a collection of multiple values of the same type, stored in a single variable. It is like keeping many items in one box instead of separate boxes. Step 1. Declare an array. This tells Java what type of array you want. int marks. Step 2. Create, allocate memory. This tells Java how many elements the array will store. Marks is equal to new int, 5. Step 3. Initialize values. You can store values using index numbers, starting from 2000. Marks 0 is equal to 90. Marks 1 is equal to 85. Short example. Public class array example. Public static void main, string args. int nums is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, declare plus create plus initialize. System.out.println, nums, 2 prints 30. Key points. Array stores same type values. Index starts from 2000. Size is fixed. Use new keyword to create array. Memory trick. Declare create use. Next important short question is 3. Abstract classes. Abstract classes in Java. An abstract class is a class that cannot be created as an object, but it is used as a base, parent, class for other classes. It may contain abstract methods, methods without body, and normal methods. To create an abstract class, we use the keyword abstract. An abstract class is like a blueprint, it gives an idea, but the complete design is provided by the child classes. Syntax. Abstract class animal. Abstract void sound, abstract method. Example program. Abstract class animal. Abstract void sound. Class dog extends animal. Void sound. System.out.println, dog barks. Public class test. Public static void main, string args. Dog d is equal to new dog. D dot sound. Output. Dog barks. Key points. Cannot create object of abstract class. Can have abstract plus normal methods. Used for inheritance and designing structure. Memory trick. Abstract is equal to idea only, child class gives full implementation. Next important short question is 4. Define method overriding. Method overriding in Java. Method overriding means writing a new version of a method in the child class that already exists in the parent class with the same name, same parameters, and same return type. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism, dynamic method calling. Overriding allows child classes to give their own behavior even if the parent class already has a method. Rules of overriding. 1. Method name must be same. 2. Parameters must be same. 3. Must be in parent-child relationship. 4. Only happens in inheritance. Example program. Class animal. Void sound. System.out.println animal makes sound. Class dog extends animal. Void sound. System.out.println dog barks. Public class test. Public static void main string args. Animal A is equal to new dog. A dot sound. Output. Dog barks. Memory trick. Same method, new behavior method overriding. Next important short question is 5. What is an interface in Java? An interface in Java is a fully abstract type that contains only abstract methods before Java 8 and constants. It is created using the keyword interface. An interface tells what to do, but not how to do it. Classes that use the interface must implement all its methods. Interfaces are mainly used to achieve multiple inheritance in Java because a class can implement many interfaces. Syntax. Interface animal. Void sound abstract method. Example program. Interface animal. Void sound. Class dog implements animal. Public void sound. System.out.println dog barks. Public class test. Public static void main string args. Dog D is equal to new dog. D dot sound. Output. Dog barks. Key points. Created with interface keyword. Contains abstract methods. Cannot create object of interface. Used for multiple inheritance. Memory trick. Interface is equal to only rules, no implementation. Next. Unit 2. Long questions. First important long question is introduce Java.util.Array class with an example program. Java.util.Array class in Java. In Java, the Java.util package provides many utility classes. One of them is the array class inside Java.util. This class contains static utility methods that help in performing common array operations easily. Although Java has normal arrays, the Java.util.Arrays class, commonly called Arrays class, makes array handling faster and simpler. Why do we use Arrays class? Using normal arrays, tasks like searching, sorting, copying must be done manually. But the Arrays class provides ready-made methods such as common methods. 1. Sort, array, sorts the array. 2. Binary search, array, value, searches value. 3. Copy of, array, length, copies array. 4. Equals, array 1, array 2, compares arrays. 5. To string, array, converts array to readable string. These methods save time and reduce coding effort. Syntax. Import Java.util.Arrays. After importing, you can call methods directly like arrays.sort, ar. Example program. Import Java.util.Arrays. Public class array class example. Public static void main string args. int marks is equal to 40 90, 70, 60, 85. Sorting the array. Arrays.sort, marks. Converting array to string. System.out.println, sorted marks, plus arrays.toString, marks. Searching an element. int index is equal to arrays.binary search, marks, 70. System.out.println, 70 found at index, plus index. Copying an array. int new marks is equal to arrays.copy of, marks, 3. System.out.println, first 3 marks, plus arrays.toString, new marks. Output. Sorted marks, 40, 60, 70, 85, 90. 70 found at index, 2. First 3 marks, 40, 60, 70. Why is this important? Makes array operations easy. Saves time in coding. Used in real-world applications. Very important for exams and interviews. Memory trick. Arrays class is equal to sort plus search plus copy plus compare. Next important long question is 2. Difference between string and string buffer classes. Difference between string and string buffer in Java. In Java, both string and string buffer are used to store text, but they are used in different situations. The main difference is based on immutability and performance. 1. String, immutable. A string is immutable, which means once you create a string, it cannot be changed. If you try to modify it, Java creates a new string object. Example. String s is equal to hello. S is equal to s plus world. Here, hello is not changed. Java creates a new string hello world. When to use string? When text does not change frequently. Example, name, city, message, labels. 2. String buffer, mutable. A string buffer is mutable, meaning you can change its value without creating a new object. It is useful when we need to modify text many times. Example. String buffer sb is equal to new string buffer, hello. sb.append, world. Here, hello is modified inside the same object. When to use string buffer? When text changes again and again. Example, building large strings, loops, editors. Main differences, easy table. Feature string buffer. Nature immutable mutable. Performance slower, creates new objects, faster, modifies same object. Thread safe yes. Keyword uses new string buffer. Best use fixed text frequently changing text. Example program. Public class test. Public static void main, string args. String s is equal to Java. S is equal to s plus programming. System.out.println, string plus s. String buffer sb is equal to new string buffer, Java. sb.append, programming. System.out.println, string buffer plus sb. Output. String, Java programming. String buffer, Java programming. Memory trick. String is equal to stone, cannot change. String buffer is equal to clay, easy to reshape. Next important long question is 3. Write a Java program to illustrate the use of string tokenizer class. String tokenizer class in Java. The string tokenizer class, in Java.util package, is used to break a string into small parts, called tokens. It is mostly used when we want to split a long sentence into words or values separated by commas, spaces, or special characters. Before Java had split method, string tokenizer was the easiest option for string splitting, and it is still asked in exams. Why use string tokenizer? To break a string into words. To separate comma-separated values. To extract data from user input. Very useful in competitive exams and file processing. It works like a word cutter that cuts words one by one. Important methods. Method meaning. Has more tokens, checks if more tokens are available. Next token returns next token. Count tokens returns number of tokens. Example program using string tokenizer. Import Java.util.String tokenizer. Public class token example. Public static void main, string args. String data is equal to India is my country. Create string tokenizer object. String tokenizer sent is equal to new string tokenizer, data, space is delimiter. System.out.println tokens are. While sent has more tokens. System.out.println sent next token. Output. Tokens are. India is my country. Explanation, easy words. The string India is my country has 4 words. The string tokenizer reads this sentence and splits it wherever it finds a space. Each word is printed separately using next token. The loop runs until no more words are left. Another example, comma-separated values. String tokenizer sent is equal to new string tokenizer 10, 20, 30, 40, comma. This will return 10, 20, 30, 40. Memory trick. String tokenizer is equal to split into pieces, one token at a time. Next important long question is 4. Discuss in detail about wrapper classes. Wrapper classes in Java. In Java, wrapper classes are used to convert primitive data types into objects. Java has 8 primitive types: int, byte, short, long, float, double, char, boolean. For each primitive, Java provides a corresponding wrapper class. Primitive wrapper. Int integer. Char character. Boolean boolean. Wrapper classes are available in the Java.lang package, import not required. Why wrapper classes are needed? 1. Collections work only with objects, not primitives. Example, ArrayList cannot store int directly. 2. Provide utility methods, like converting text to numbers. 3. Help in type conversion, string int, int string. 4. Used in data structures, frameworks, and OP concepts. List of wrapper classes. Primitive type wrapper class. Byte byte. Short short. Int integer. Long long. Float float. Double double. Char character. Boolean boolean. Autoboxing and unboxing. Autoboxing. Converting primitive to object automatically. Int n is equal to 10. Integer obj is equal to n, autoboxing. Unboxing. Converting object back to primitive. Integer x is equal to 20. Int y is equal to x, unboxing. Example program. Public class wrapper example. Public static void main, string args. Int a is equal to 50, primitive. Integer obj is equal to integer dot value of a, manual boxing. Int b is equal to obj dot int value, manual unboxing. System.out.println wrapper object plus obj. System.out.println primitive value plus b. Output. Wrapper object 50. Primitive value 50. Important methods. Method purpose. Rsint converts string to int. ToString converts value to string. Value of converts value to wrapper object. Example. int n is equal to integer.parseInt 100. Memory trick. Wrapper is equal to covers primitive in an object. Like a gift wrap covers a simple item, primitive, inside an object. Next important long question is 5. Define package. Explain the process of creating a package. Package in Java. A package in Java is a collection of related classes, interfaces, and subpackages. It helps in organizing code and avoiding name conflicts. Think of it like a folder on your computer that contains multiple files, classes. Types of packages. 1. Built-in packages, already provided by Java. Example: Java.util, Java.io, Java.lang. 2. User-defined packages, created by the programmer for specific projects. Why use packages? To organize large programs. To avoid class name conflicts. To reuse code easily. To control access using access modifiers. Steps to create a package. Step 1. Create a class. Write your Java class normally. Example: myClass.java. myClass.java. Package myPack, declare package at top. Public class myClass. Public void show. System.out.println, welcome to my package. Step 2. Compile the class. Use the javac command. Javac d. myClass.java. d. Tells Java to create a folder named after package, mypack. Compiled file myclass.cl as goes inside mypack folder. Step 3. Use the package in another class. Test package.java. Import mypack.myclass, import the package. Public class test package. Public static void main, string, args. myClass obj is equal to new myClass. obj.show. Step 4. Compile and run. Java test package.java. Java test package. Output. Welcome to my package. Key points to remember. Package keyword must be first line in the class. Package names are usually all lowercase. Use import keyword to access other packages. Helps in code reusability and organization. Memory trick. Package is equal to folder, classes is equal to files inside, import to use them.